Welcome back, kings and queens, and welcome if you're new here. My name is Hope King, and I'm the designer behind King's Designs MD. Today I'm just showing you one of the designs I created in Canva. The saying is, my blessings are voice activated. And you guys have seen, maybe you've seen my video on affirmation cards. This is just a saying for you to be able to do your affirmations and things like that. It's just a reminder saying, but I wanted to show you guys how to create something like this if you are interested. So really, you're just going into Canva. If you've never been in Canva, you will go into the home screen of Canva and click create a design. I typically use custom sizes, and that is 11 by 8.5. That will give you the landscape paper size. So if you don't want the regular portrait size, this will give you the landscape paper size. You can create anything Canva just by choosing an image. So I'm going to choose this lady here. And I'm just going to change some of her elements, which I've shown you guys how to do before. And I'm going to expand her out. And so I'll move her to the side. I think I want to change her color pink to a brighter pink, which you see changed her top and her lips. And then I'll change her glasses to gray. You don't have to do any of these things if you don't want to, but this is just a way to do it. And so if you want to create a text, you just click on text on the side. You can add a heading, you can do subheading. This really just gives you a certain font size. So if you want to do something like I did, you do my blessings. And then you can click on that and click duplicate up in this top corner. And just type over it, our voice activated. And actually, I think I did my blessings are and then voice activated. Either way, you know, it's your design. You guys can do what you want, and I often say that. And you can go with the autocorrect, or you can leave it however you want. I think I'm just going to leave it. But anyway, so this is on 2 lines. If you wanted to size it down, you can, so that it's on 1 line. And you can move that so that it's on 1 line, and then shrink it down to fit your area. And then you can go in and you can change your font style. So you see how it was already, I'm going to just click the back button. It was 60 on Open Sans font, and then when I changed it to Feeling Passionate font, see how it shrunk down because of the style of the font. So just be mindful of that when you're designing. If you want it bigger, you can make it bigger. If you want it to overlap, you can make it overlap. And you can even change the color by going up here and changing the color if you want it to have something that overlapped and kind of went like that. So I have a lot of fun playing around in Canva. You can design things however you want. If you wanted to make this even larger, you could. If you wanted to turn it, you could. It's up to you. And if you want to group these things together, you can highlight everything, right click over them and group them, and then that way you can move it. But you can put that on a mug, you can put that on a shirt, you can put it on a journal, do whatever you want with it. But that's just a quick and simple design for Canva. So my blessings are voice activated. So I hope this helps somebody. You guys remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and go help somebody else.